Hi, this is Dr. Gary. Welcome to Mind Talk. Many people have something looming over their head that they know nothing about that could kill them if they do not learn how to manage it properly. We're going to talk about that right now on Mind Talk. One of the top videos I have here on YouTube speaks of something called loneliness. Well, loneliness is a very interesting topic because so many people talk about it, so many people are concerned about it, and most people do nothing about it, and it's completely manageable. How to manage loneliness is really quite simple if you understand what it is. Believe it or not, you may or may not like what I'm going to say. Loneliness is a figment of our imagination. That's right. Loneliness is nothing more than stinking thinking. It's how we look at stuff. In fact, it's almost impossible for you to be alone. We have 8 billion people now on this planet, or almost that much. Also, around us everywhere in the country, no matter where we are, unless you're in the middle of Nebraska or Wyoming, you've got people driving up and down highways, walking, talking, laughing, crowded, jumping up and down, fishing. Who knows? There's people everywhere. We are not alone. What makes us feel alone, though, is the way we look at our own situation. Loneliness is nothing more than a figment of our imagination, meaning that we focus on what we don't want many times. I had many people contact me during the holidays, and during the holidays, some people call and wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, or Happy Holiday, or Happy Hanukkah, and many people don't. And sometimes they call based upon the events going on in their life. However, we grow expectation of expecting someone to be thinking about us and calling us, and if they don't, we become disappointed, and then we become lonely, or think we are, or that no one cares. And really, it's between our own ears. Remember, we become what we think about the most, especially if we have passion behind it. And if you are passionately lonely and thinking that way, you're going to feel more alone. Remember also, the subconscious mind always says yes to everything you say. How do you manage loneliness? By not telling yourself you're alone or you're lonely. Tell yourself that I'm going to do something now to create interest in my life. I'm going to choose to move towards what I want rather than what I don't want. Remember, if you're feeling alone, most likely it's due to the way you're thinking about your current situation. How to fix that is to simply change your current situation and the way you think about it. Remember, the subconscious always says yes to everything you say. And if you tell yourself you're lonely, you're lonely. If you tell yourself, I'm going to enjoy the day, I'm going to find people I can connect with, I'm going to make a difference in someone's life, guess what will happen? You will, and it's going to change the way you feel about your own loneliness. One of the best things to do with loneliness is to serve another human being. That's really the highest order any of us can do, is to take care of someone else, help someone else to feel better about their own life. By doing that, you're going to feel much less alone and more engaged with life itself. Let's think about this. Let's work on this. I look forward to your comments on this channel. We're going to do some changing up as I've talked about. Also, I would be very, very interested to hear what you have to say, so comment below. I would really appreciate if you would actually consider subscribing to this channel and even hitting that little notification bell. It helps us a lot. And it also helps direct me in giving content here that's going to help you. That's my whole intention here. Also look forward to the end of the year where I'm going to be going out on the road, traveling all across the country, coming to places where you are. I would love to meet you. If you'd like to have that happen, let me know in the comments. Until next time, this is Dr. Gary wishing you an extraordinary day filled with happiness and not loneliness. Bye-bye.